Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver in the Snapchat app. First let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then into settings, and here we scroll down and tap on data saver. And here we can turn on data saver just by tapping on this tick box, and we can turn this on for 3 days, 1 week, or until you turn it off. Or we can just tap on cancel if we don't want to. So yeah, if you want to, you can turn it on here, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.